Today I'm making these super easy appetizer meatballs. You only need 3 ingredients: some cooked meatballs, a jar of barbecue sauce, and a jar of grape jelly. I like to start with the 2 sauce ingredients and putting those in the crock pot liner. The biggest thing is, squeezing enough to get all that barbecue sauce out of the jar. To that, add the grape jelly. I do want to note that this grape jelly jar has 20 ounces, not 18 ounces. That's okay, it's close enough. This isn't exactly a super precise kind of a recipe. I do like to just kind of stir these 2 ingredients a little bit because that grape jelly is always a big blob, and so I like to kind of spread it out. And then add my meatballs. These are previously cooked meatballs that I kept in the fridge. You can also start straight from frozen meatballs. It just changes the timing a little bit, but I'll give you all those numbers. We just are going to cover this, put it in the crock pot, and set the cycle. We are on the slow cook cycle, low temperature for 4 hours because these are not frozen. If you use frozen meatballs, I typically recommend that you use the high heat cycle. You can also, with thawed meatballs, only about 2 hours on high will get you where you need to go. And this is where that is. You want the sauce to be hot and bubbly. This means everything is heated through. You have nice warm meatballs and they're ready to eat. This sauce is sweet and so yummy. I love the combination of the savory meatballs with that sweet and tangy sauce. I serve it basically with little bamboo skewers or toothpicks. It makes a fantastic appetizer. You could also, if you'd like, thicken the sauce and make it more like a gravy and serve it with rice. Either way, it's absolutely delicious. And I really hope you give this a try. It's probably the easiest appetizer you can come up with. It's delicious, and I hope you try it, because if you do, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.